In this video, I will explain softmax activation function. So let's talk about the formula of softmax activation function. So we can see s of xi e to the power xi upon summation of j equals to 1 n equals to n e to the power x j. So here x is nothing but weights into feature plus bias. We have to use this formula whenever we have more than two outputs. So I have written some small steps over here. Classes should be greater than 2 in our classification problem. Both sigmoid and softmax function we should apply in our output layer. So we already know that if our problem is binary classification, then we have to apply sigmoid activation function in our output layer. But if we have more than two classes, in that case we have to apply our softmax activation function in the output layer. The output will be in terms of probability. After values of our output, we have to put into the softmax formula and we have to take the highest probability value as output. So this I have to explain by an example. Let's suppose we trained our model on three classes like lion, dog or cat. So it will be the value in terms of probability, and sum of all probability should be 1. If we have probability like 0.1, 2, the sum of all these should be equal to 1. In case of softmax activation function, I'm going to explain this. So here our x is nothing but weights into feature value plus bias. So let's take an example. After the forward propagation, it will give us the value such as 20, 11, 30. Let's suppose I take an example. So according to this formula, we have to put this value one by one into this formula. So let's suppose s1 e to the power 20 upon e to the power 20 plus e to the power 11 plus e to the power 30. Let's suppose after calculating all these values, we will get our s1. Okay, let's suppose we are having 0.3. I'm not here calculated here. This is a consumption over here, assumption. Let's suppose according to the formula we have to calculate our S2 also. S2 will be nothing but e to the power 11, e to the power 20 plus e to the power 11 plus e to the power 30. It will be equal to 0.6. And similarly we have to calculate over here S3, e to the power 30 upon e to the power 20 plus e to the power 11 plus e to the power 30. Let's suppose it is giving us 0.2. So here we are getting, so sorry, suppose it is our 0.1. So we have now three values over here. So after applying the softmax activation function, what it will do this, it will take our highest probability and show it as our output. So our highest value of our probability, it will be our output. So if I have to check that our calculation is right or wrong, then it is nothing but we have to sum of all these values. If the sum of all these values become to 1, 0.3 plus 0.6 plus 0.1, it should be always equal to 1, and our highest probability will be taken as our output. So this is all about our software's activation function. But remember, we have to use this activation function in our classification whenever we have more than our two outputs or two classifiers. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.